Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the Eufy. Basically, I'm using it for security monitoring, but it's cameras, it's got a HomeBase system, it's got a doorbell camera, and that sort of thing. You can do a variety of different things with Eufy, which is what I really love about it. So if you want to, you can set it up. The HomeBase has like 10 gigs of storage. After you have your system installed. So you can just write to your local storage of all of your cameras and that sort of thing. Or if you want to, you can pay additional and pay for cloud storage, which right now is roughly $10 a month that you can pay for cloud storage if you want to store it on the cloud, just in case you want to keep those, more history on there, things like that. You also can upgrade and you can put a card in this. So right now it has a local storage card. You can upgrade the local storage card if you wanted to have more storage available within the HomeBase system of it. But what I like about this is there's no really monthly fees. You can choose to have monthly fees and have more system monitoring if you want. You can pay to have 24/7 monitoring, but check to make sure that they cover your state right now, because Eufy is going through and getting all the state and local licenses and things like that they need to do to be compliant with that state for 24-hour or 24/7 monitoring. I don't really want to pay for the monitoring. To be honest, I don't turn on my alarm. And so a lot of times I just leave it off because these cameras all tell me when somebody shows up at our house. So it immediately notifies me on my phone, which is always on me 24/7. It notifies me when somebody is approaching our front door, approaching our back door, approaching our garage. Anytime you come on our property, it tells me someone's coming on our property. I can flip it up immediately and I can look at the cameras and go, oh yeah, that's right, I had services coming or whatever is going on. So I immediately get notified via my phone. I don't need it to go directly to a security system that sends somebody immediately. If I see something that's not right, I will call them myself. Or I can talk to the cameras and say, what are you doing on my property? So I can basically be my own security system without paying those monthly fees, 30, 40, 50, 60 or higher. So the nice thing is this HomeBase system is really small. You can see it comes in this little box. It's easy to connect to your Wi-Fi. And basically you connect it through Wi-Fi, you follow the general instructions, and then all of the different cameras that you can get. This one's a solar powered camera. I have multiple of these on my property. And basically they recharge themselves. They have crystal clear pictures. You can see anything from these things. They're awesome. And they're fairly cost efficient as well. So you can see they're 2K, so they're awesome for that. They also have 8 gigs of storage. Then you have a 2K high definition doorbell camera. Fantastic. This thing will notify you when someone gets even near our front porch. You can adjust all the different settings of it. You can tell it with AI technology, familiar faces. So I could take a picture of Holly, I could take a picture of all the kids, and I could say, yes, these are familiar faces, don't worry about them. And you can actually, if it doesn't recognize somebody, you can actually be notified immediately that it's an unfamiliar face. So that's a fantastic feature as well. All of this runs off the app. So let me just show you the app really quick. So let me show you the app. So the app, you can see I have a doorbell, I have a garage, I have a backyard, I have a living room. I'm not going to show you all of them that I have because my whole house has got security around it, but I'm not going to show you all of them. But you can see you have indoor cameras that are easily plugged in. You have the exterior cameras, which you can actually see. Here's an exterior view, and I was adjusting the camera so you can see now. You can see my backyard, and I can talk through these cameras, which is really nice. I can do a video clip if I see someone I don't like. I can do that. I can also listen on the cameras as well, which is a great feature. It records, so you can see the events. When you click on the events, it's a garage. It's the garage twice had 2 different events when I was making adjustments to the camera. You have services, so the additional services, if you go in there, you can get expert security system monitoring. So they give you some different options for a basic alarm kit. If you're used to keying in the keypad when you walk in your door, you can do things like that. You also can get expert security system monitoring as well. And basically it comes with cameras, it comes with keypad, it comes with the HomeBase system, it comes with all of that. You also have, like I said, you have some smart options as well. So if you take a look at those, you can do an alarm, you can do alarm your system, you can schedule things on your system. It's got a ton of just different features that you can actually walk through and set up if you want to add your away schedule, things along those lines. So it has that. And then obviously it allows you to do some level of automation if you want. So you can add different things to it, like triggers and alerts to set up different things, like if you want your doorbell camera to record at a certain time, you can do different things like that. You can actually do a lot with just adding automation. I won't go through that today. Maybe I'll do that in another video. But as you can see, it does all of the basics that you need it to do without paying the monthly fees, which is fantastic. If you're looking for great home security monitoring, these cameras will do it, and it does everything you want it to do. It just don't have a keypad for it. It just monitors your home as you're away. It also comes, you can get door locks, so some of that stuff is really nice if you want to get door locks to your house. There's a variety of different options that Eufy offers. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel if you're looking for a security system for your home, but you don't want to pay the monthly fees and you want great quality for your cameras where you have 2K resolution and things like that. So check out Eufy if that's what you're looking for. Just great value for what you get, and you don't have to pay the monthly fees. So that's it. I'll put a link in the description below. Subscribe to my channel. Super thanks is always welcome, and we'll see you next time.